Hi, this is Gina at Art of Skincare. Today I want to talk to you about the Sculplla system and how to upgrade it for the summer months if you are prone to hyperpigmentation on your skin. There's three essential products that I boost the system with so that I'm protecting my skin from dark pigmentation spots. One is I'm working the toner into the skin. I'm using Rhonda Allison's Brightening Pigment Lotion. And then I'm using two Dr. Estee serums. First one is the vitamin C serum. I love this serum. It's got a 14% multivitamin complex in it, which is really nourishing for the skin. It's got alpha melite in it, which is an incredible brightener for the skin, and it has goat milk in it, which is really a great anti-inflammatory and also a brightener for the skin. So I'm putting this on my skin, and then I'm putting on the Hyal serum, just because my skin in the summer months, it needs that extra drink of water and that extra barrier protection that water gives the skin. So I'm going to show you real quick what I do in my routine. I don't even use toner pads with my Brightening Pigment Lotion. I'm getting it on my hands and I'm patting it right into the skin. So I get a really good strong dose of that Bellis perennis. That's a daisy flower extract that really brightens the skin. And it's anti-inflammatory, so it helps reduce that inflammation action that happens that triggers the dark pigmentation response, the melanin response. Next thing I'm grabbing is my Vita C serum. I'm gonna put that on the skin. I don't have to work it all the way in because we're gonna use my special device for doing that, which I will show you next. Then I'm grabbing the Hyal serum, so I'm getting all those multiple weights of hyaluronic acid going into the skin. All these nice layers of protection that keep your skin really bright and beautiful through those stressful summer months when we're out in the UV rays and getting hot. Now I'm putting on my Sculplla. And the next thing that I do is I grab the My Skin Buddy. The My Skin Buddy has a green LED setting. The green setting is for hyperpigmentation. So I'm going to use the My Skin Buddy to work all those layers of serum into my skin. So by the time I finish pushing these serums in with the My Skin Buddy, my skin is going to be very plump and juicy and well protected. Once I have that worked into the skin, I'm going to go ahead and grab my Promoter Repair Cream. I love this stuff. This is the spider webs. This is what gives you that lifting, firming action that really helps with that V line of the face. It also blends perfectly with these serums to create a really nice finish on the skin that does not feel heavy or sticky or oily. And now the only thing that you need to add to this is your sun cushion. Put on your sun cushion, apply your sun cushion throughout the day to really keep your skin protected. And that's it. You've got your upgraded for summer Sculplla skincare protocol. If you have any questions or want any help customizing this protocol for your specific needs, reach out to us at Art of Skincare on our live chat. All of my estheticians there will be excited to help you with your skin. Also, be sure to like us and subscribe below. Turn on your notifications so that you can get all of my coming videos that I'm going to be producing on hyperpigmentation and protecting the skin in the summer months.